Alright, so this is the Sony record player, and see it spinning. Let me take the slip mat off and show you for real. You see, it's not supposed to spin like that. Now, you may be saying, hey, idiot Chris, if you had the belt on, it wouldn't spin like that. You're right. Sad part is the belt snapped. I've had this turntable maybe 2 years. Less than 2 years. And it's already done this. It's already snapped a belt. I haven't used it that much. And even before the belt snapped, the stupid thing was playing records slow. It was playing slower than it was supposed, or actually it was playing faster, sorry. It was playing faster. So, whatever you guys do, I do not recommend this turntable. You've seen me unbox it. You've seen me use it. But I do not recommend this thing. Belt, if you get a belt-driven turntable, whoop-de-doo, good for you. You know, let me know what you think and see, and I will tell you I told you so. But hopefully I'll get this thing replaced soon with the direct drive turntable. That will work a lot better. So, Sony, you gots to go.